Hey guys, everybody needs a little Wildwood Weed in their life, right? Well, back in the 70s, a guy named Jim Stafford put a song together called Wildwood Weed, written by another guy, Don Bowmans. But Jim Stafford really made it famous, and he really does play the comedy parts of it well. The great part about this song is not only is it fun to play, but it really does give us a way of coordinating left hand and right hand stuff and putting a few ideas together. It's really, really simple. And it's really, really fun. So stay with me for a moment and we'll just work it out. It's a 3-chord tune. We go from a C to an F to a C to a G, and that's pretty much it. Okay. And little fancy bits that come in to make it a little bit more interesting are the picking pieces. So it goes a little like this. So that's the Wildwood Weed. Great little progressions and some really nice riffs. Quite simple and yet intricate enough to keep you active and busy. Really works well for trying to coordinate your fretting hand and your picking hand. Hope you found it interesting. See you again next time.